Pack, move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Bar, long-distance movers near me. Our Barre local movers provide convenience. Professional movers have the experience and equipment to pack and transport your belongings effectively. We communicate effectively and get things done fast, saving clients time and energy. We provide babysitters and pet minders during the process, allowing you to focus on other personalized aspects of relocation. Our local movers have an in-depth knowledge of the environment. Our drivers understand the local streets, traffic rules and regulations, packing laws, and narrow roads. Because of their familiarity with Lockwood, they take the best routes, avoiding delays. Our movers handle every relocation aspect, allowing you to focus on more personal aspects. Activities such as buying or renting a space, starting a new job, and getting a new school for the kids are stressful enough without adding the relocation stress. While we take care of the moving process, you tie all loose ends and bid goodbye to friends and family. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Barre moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.